Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam no connection error. All right, let's begin. First, open the search bar and type Task Manager. Once inside, look for any processes related to Steam. Right-click on them and select End Task. Then go to the Details tab, find Steam again, right-click, and choose End Process Tree. Next, search for Steam in your Start menu. Right-click on it and select Open File Location. Do this twice until you reach the folder with the Steam .exe file. Right-click on it, select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as administrator. Click OK. For the next step, search for View Network Connections. Open your Wi-Fi or Ethernet properties, then select Internet Protocol version 4. Set the DNS server addresses to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, then click OK. Now search for CMD, right-click, and run it as administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Then paste the additional commands provided below in order. If Steam still does not work, open the search bar again, type %local app data %, and press Enter. Locate the Steam folder and delete it. Restart your computer, open Steam again, and the issue should be resolved. So that's basically how you can fix the Steam no connection error. That's it for this video. Thanks.